Okay, so getting an update on what's been done this week. As you can see, the whole of this room is now plasterboarded. Down the walls, up on the painted roof. As you can see, Mark there is plastering, so did that first this morning. Obviously you can't do two walls that are touching each other at the same time. It just doesn't work. So I did that this morning, then he did this, then he did a couple of cheeks on the skylights. Now, as you can see, he's back on the slanted roof, finishing that off. So flying along nicely with the plastering. Patio doors now in, all looking really nice. Is anyone in there? Mark, do you want to shut these for us? Looking lovely. All working fine. So that was the job for today. Now they're locked. So that's the patio doors on. That's it from inside. All upstairs completely finished. Apart from, oiling the doors, but do them all together. Oil all the doors at the same time, all together. It's all upstairs completely finished. All the skirting's done, all the door frames done, everything. Okay, we're doing screeding today, screeding the extension floor. So here's a big sample screed, all ready to go. Okay, as you can see, screed completely finished. All looking good. All looking great, all at the same level now. Only cardboard on there just to walk on for the moment. But yeah, you can see the bit that was done yesterday and the bit that was done today. Now we're all level in this room now.